everyone, it's Carrie. So I wanted to come by and show you how I straighten my hair. This is the 2018 version. So I always start off with my hair sectioned into 4 different sections. So I just clip them away, and I'll be using this Argan Oil of Morocco penetrating oil, and I'm mixing that with this Icy Fantasia Heat Polisher Heat Protector Straightening Serum. So I mix these 2 together, and I put that on each section of my head before I blow dry my hair. So I always start off with freshly washed hair whenever I'm going to straighten my hair. So my hair is washed, detangled, and sectioned away, and I'm ready to start. So I start in the back. I take down one of my twists. My hair is still a little damp, so then I take my oil, about this amount, and I take the heat protector, you know, not a lot, mix it together and put it on that section. And I take my wide tooth comb and I just comb through the section. So I'm using my Andis blow dryer. It has the comb attachment. I got this from Walmart. I love this. It works really well for me. I've had it for a long time. So I use it on high to straighten out my hair. I always start from the ends and then work my way up, as you can see. So as you can see, the blow dryer straightens out my hair pretty well. So I'm not gonna have to do a lot when I use my flat iron to go over it. After that, I just do a loose twist on this section and just clip it away and move on to the next section. So I'm just gonna move on to the next side and do the same thing. Take my hair out, go in with the Argan Oil of Morocco, and then the heat protector. Right, it's not a lot. Hope you can see that. It's not a lot. And rub that throughout the hair. Not just on the top, make sure you get inside as well. Then I just comb the hair out. And then I just blow dry. Now that this section is finished, I'm just gonna do a loose twist and clip it away. next thing that I'm going to be doing is just using my Remington flat iron to straighten out my hair. I'm using it on 410 degrees. While that heats up, I'm just going to take out the back section, comb it through, and I'm going to section this off into a smaller section, about this much. I'm going to clip away the rest. I'm using my rat tail comb, combing it through again. And I'm gonna do the chase method. So basically, I start at the top, right? Put my comb right there. I take my flat iron, I put it at the top of my head, and I'm gonna chase my comb. So I'm gonna use the flat iron to chase my comb. So here we go. I do that about like 1, maybe 2 times, but this section doesn't really require it. So I'm just gonna do it 1 time. And then I just move on to the next section. And I do that all throughout my head. Take another section. Clip up the rest. Comb my hair through. Once you straighten out your hair, you style it however you want. I think I'm gonna do a deep side part. Control and take care of the little flyaways, right? so right now you just get your edge control and apply it to your edges. Make it as smooth as you want it to be. I'm using the Cream of Nature with argan oil, perfect edges. And I'm gonna use some Eco Styler gel. I need to buy another one. So I'm just going to put that right here. Apply it to the other side. Just wanted to come by and share. I know some of you were asking how long my hair is at this point, so I hope you guys can see it. I'm just working on my edges right now because I already did a video showing you guys how my edges are looking, and I really have to work on repairing it. But apart from that, my hair, you know, it's still growing. I'm not gonna, you know, keep it straight for a very long time. After I wash my hair, I'm not gonna straighten my hair probably until the end of the year. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll speak to you guys later. Bye.